Okay, so this is a video on how to install the Airsoft Engenuity hop unit for the K-Array Vector. So, Vector's obviously been disassembled already. I've put some of the retaining pins back in at the bottom just to keep the bolt held in. And the first thing you need to do is remove the whole of the outer barrel, and that's done by removing this screw here. So I'll just pop that out. There we go. There it comes. And then next there's two 1.5mm grub screws. Just pop those out from there and there. And then the easiest way is just to give the inner barrel a little push, and that, and then out it comes. And that is a bit of white paper. That's the original hop unit, which has that amount of adjustability on it, and it does absolutely nothing to the hot rubber. Doesn't create any extra deflection or tension on it at all. It's rubbish. Same sort of system on the LM4s and the Martins, and to be honest, a lot of K-Array pistols. Anyway, so we don't need that. So the Airsoft Engenuity one comes in 3 types. These all come with the one purchase. I don't know whether you'll be able to see this, but engraved there is L for low hop, M for medium, and a H for high hop. So those are the replacement chambers. So all 3 of those come with one purchase, and effectively they will accept a VSR style hot rubber. So I happen to have a maple leaf one right here. Just choose one of these, and you can see it's designed so that just slides straight in there, like so. I've not got it straight. Pop that out. Always helps to get it in straight. Let's do that again. So it sits in there, and that. And just give that a little bit of a push, and in it goes. There we go. And then to complete it, you would push in a standard GBR outer barrel, inner barrel, and there you go. If we look on that one, you can see there's the hop. So that's the medium hop, I think. Yeah, medium. That'll lift sort of 0.25 to 0.32s. The low is sort of 0.2 to 0.25, and the high is 0.32 to 0.4. If I could have, I would have designed an adjustable one like I do with the LM4s, but there is no real way of getting an adjustable unit easily inside there, or fitting one in this outer barrel. There's just no room for one at all. I did have ideas that would require you to drill holes through the outer sort of barrel and on the real one, the gas block housing, I guess, and the K-Array upper, but I figured most people don't want to be butchering the guns that way, so effectively you've got a choice of, like I say, low, There's medium in there and high, which all give slightly different amounts of pressure on the hot rubber, and basically then you can just tune your BB weight to the hop unit that's in there, and it is, well, any maple leaf rubber that you put in a pistol or anything like that is as accurate as that. The consistency is absolutely laser, it's brilliant, and well worth an upgrade for your Vector. Like I say, it's a shame KWA they do these really nice guns and then they put really rubbish hop units in them, but I hope gives me a job to do. So just for show final assembly, so that is the unit. Just slide straight back in there, like that. Push it in, and then it comes with the unit itself comes with slightly shorter grub screws that you'd screw back in there flush, keeps it all clamped together, and then just literally put straight back in. That's it. So these are on eBay now. I'll put a link in the description. If you want your Vector to be actually accurate, consistent, and have some decent range, so I thoroughly recommend this. It's why they don't do decent hops, I'll never know. But hey yo. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Bye for now.